In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Microsoft account to local account. This process is straightforward and allows you to enjoy various Microsoft services without creating a new Windows user. You will be able to sync your settings, access OneDrive, and utilize the Microsoft Store and Xbox services. Let's dive right in. First, open the settings on your Windows device. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu, which is usually located at the bottom left of your screen. From there, look for the gear icon that represents settings. When you click it, a new window will open, displaying various options. This is a crucial first step because accessing settings is the gateway to linking your accounts. Next, click on the Accounts option in the Settings menu. This section allows you to manage various account-related settings, including your user account and sync preferences. Once you have clicked on Accounts, you will see several options related to your Microsoft and local accounts. This step is important because it directs you to the specific area where you can make the necessary changes. Now select the Your Info tab within the Accounts section. In this window, you will see information about your current account. This is where you'll find the option to switch to your Microsoft account. If you're using a local account, you should see the option to link it to a Microsoft account. This is pivotal because it prepares you for the next steps in the linking process. After that, click on the option that says Sign in with a Microsoft account instead. If you do not see this option, it means you're likely already using a Microsoft account. This step initiates the linking process and will transition your local account into a Microsoft account seamlessly. It's reassuring to know that you will not lose any data during this process. Once you've clicked that option, enter your Microsoft account email address. This could be an email from Outlook.com, Hotmail.com, or another Microsoft account email. Make sure to enter it accurately to avoid any login issues. After entering your email, click Next. This is critical because it identifies which Microsoft account you want to link to your local account. Next, enter your Microsoft account password. Follow this by completing any identity verification steps if prompted. This may include two-factor authentication or answering security questions. This step is essential for securing your account and ensuring that only you can make this change. After verifying your Microsoft account, enter your current local account password to authorize the change. This step confirms that you have the authority to make changes to this account. Click Next once you have entered your local password. This process is designed to keep your account secure, so don't skip it. If prompted, set up a Windows Hello PIN. This is an additional layer of security that makes logging in faster and more secure. You can choose to skip this step if you prefer. However, having a PIN can streamline your future logins. Now, select Sign Out and Finish. This action will log you out of your current local account and prepare the system to link your Microsoft account. It might seem like an extra step, but it ensures that all settings and changes are applied correctly. Finally, sign back in using your Microsoft account credentials. Your local Windows account is now linked to your Microsoft account. This final step confirms that the linking process has been successful. You will now have access to all the benefits of a Microsoft account, including syncing settings across devices, using OneDrive for cloud storage, and accessing the Microsoft Store. Remember, linking your accounts not only enhances your user experience, but also simplifies your digital life. Enjoy the seamless integration of your Microsoft services.